Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the issue where Windows 11 keeps asking for your PIN after every update. First, open Settings and go to Accounts. Click on Sign In Options. Find the PIN section, expand it, and click Remove. Confirm your current PIN if asked. After removing it, restart your computer. Then go back to the same section and set up a new PIN. This helps reset any broken PIN settings. Next, if you are using fingerprint or face unlock, remove those as well. In Sign-In Options, find fingerprint recognition or facial recognition and remove them. After that, set them up again. This refreshes your biometric data and can fix conflicts with your PIN. If the issue still happens, you need to clear the PIN data manually. Open File Explorer and go to the Path C drive, then Windows, then Service Profiles, Local Service, App Data, Local, and Microsoft. Find the folder named NGC. Right-click it and go to its properties. After that, go to the Security tab and click on Advanced. Now, click on Change next to Owner, and in the field, type Everyone. Click on Check Name and then click OK. This will give you access to the folder. Once you have access, delete everything inside the folder. Now restart your computer. Go back to Sign-In Options and create a new PIN again. These steps usually fix the issue by clearing corrupted PIN data and resetting your sign-in methods. Thanks for watching.